Okay, it's Dr. Buford. We're just getting started on the left shoulder. We're looking in from the back to the front. Everything that you see is magnified about 30 or 40 times on the screen. And we're just starting to clean off a little bit of the superior labrum so we can get a good look at the rotator cuff here. And here's the tear in the rotator cuff. Anchor. So it's a good sized tear. Just about there. Now we're going to come back inside the joint, make sure there's nothing else to really worry about. You've got some arthritis in the joint, which we expected. And it looks like your biceps tendon's already ruptured. That's not something that needs to be repaired. So really what we're trying to do right now is just smooth out any obvious rough areas or remove any loose pieces of cartilage. Okay, so here's the hole in the tendon, and now we're going to place the spinal needle and see what we can do about getting this fixed. It's a little bit posterior, that's not a bad angle there. So what we're going to do is try and place a suture anchor in the bone, probably a couple of them. A little posterior. I want to get my angle a little bit better than that. It's not bad there, maybe a little bit steeper. Okay, so in just a minute we'll show you the guide and the suture anchor going into the bone. Pause please. Okay, here you can see the anchor down in the bone. We've got 3 different sutures coming from the anchor. We're going to spread these apart and decide how we're going to use them. Looks like we're going to go black and white, solid, and then blue and white. So we're going to reach in the front here and take out this black and white one first. Okay. We'll show you some more in just a minute. Okay, we're all done. We placed a total of 2 anchors and 6 sutures to repair the tendon. And that's it right there. That's the back with our 3 sutures, and then here's the front with another 3. You've got it completely repaired down to the bone. So we're going to finish up here and get you back to the recovery room shortly. Good luck to you now. Bye-bye.